few flooring systems are up to the challenges of an industrial setting. Your floor may face intense heat, oil spills, corrosive chemicals, forklift traffic and heavy loads. An untreated concrete floor won't last long without deteriorating or cracking, with porous concrete nearly impossible to maintain. Here at Resincoat, we set out to manufacture high-strength, quality industrial resin products, providing a seamless, low-maintenance and safe surface. This supports a productive working environment under the toughest of working conditions.
We serve a diverse range of industries, including automotive, aerospace, healthcare and leisure.
We proudly manufacture our own polyurethane, acrylic and epoxy resin coating systems with a reduced carbon footprint and a fast turnaround. Back in 2019, we gained ISO 9001 certification, and we are constantly seeing the benefits of this, with our quality often exceeding our customers' expectations and leading to improved customer satisfaction.
Safety of our personnel is at the forefront of our operation. At our manufacturing facility in Kinsley, we've introduced state-of-the-art systems to ensure full pure and LOLA compliance of our equipment and system.
Our ever-popular anti-slip floor coatings are tested HSE guidelines, meeting and often exceeding the minimum requirements, both in wet and dry conditions.
Consistency and superior product performance are ensured through a vigorous, robust testing regime that has been adopted in order to maintain our ISO 9001 accreditation. Every batch is tested in our quality control facility, along with independent testing at accredited laboratories to meet all of our customer needs.
Here at Resincoat, we have a team to offer technical support to our customers. We're here to provide both advice with the preparation of the floor and the actual application of the product, assuring that the highest quality finish is achieved.
Throughout each project, we're here to offer support and guidance on preparation and application, as well as answer any questions you may have. If you're self-installing, we can offer on-site training demonstrating the correct procedures for preparation, mixing and application.
We're also able to carry out virtual and on-site visits, having a look at your floor, assessing the condition and then being able to give you the correct recommendation.
If you choose to use a contractor to carry out the work, we can introduce you to our network of specialists who are happy to apply our products for you.
We are innovators, constantly changing the landscape of the industrial coating sector, whether this is through the development of new systems, such as our COVID-resistant, high-performance epoxy coating, or if it is sourcing greener alternatives to our raw materials. We are shaping the future of this business.
Our unique selling proposition is to provide wraparound care, both before, during and after the sale. Combined with our excellence in manufacturing, we're proud to provide the highest quality resin products in the UK.
Unlike other online resin companies who are solely distributors, here at Resincoat we can produce resins to meet your very own bespoke demand. Simply give us a call and we can help develop the products to meet your requirements.
Our professional team have a specialist skill set, enabling us to go above and beyond, exceeding expectations for you, our customer. We're continually developing, innovating to provide better solutions for your industry.